Here's a 2016 Ford Edge. Aggressively styled and easily maneuvered, the spacious crossover was built for fun. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, first and second row sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Welcome to Eric von Schledorn Ford, Sheboygan County's largest Ford dealer. We're conveniently located at West 4873 County Road RR in Random Lake, Wisconsin.